I found a witness in the pale moonlight, caught the crazies on a blue train night, wore my sneakers on hot rising sun, smelled burning rubber and flesh well done. Raised my arms to Fiddler's lightning strike, on metal roof in the pouring rain, and like a jackal on broad rolling plains, slinked around in sweet soaring pain. Pain called to me in quiet breathless moan, you've got to start your voyage home. Forget the blood dripping down in your eyes and your pocket frown. Grab the moments that you've gathered up, swallow whole a hidden loving touch. Climb aboard cheap rocket ship pain, blast off scattered dreams rich grains. Touching down in gray barren world that long ago was electric fire green swirls. Plant ripe needs and scattered dream grains, sprinkle with hidden loving pain. And dance and sing and share all night with the witness in warm moonlight. Invite some crazies from the blue night train. Raise your arms to the fiddler's frame. On metal roof over loving touch and sweet and sour pouring rain. Dance and sing and share all night with a witness in pale moonlight. Invite some crazies from the blue night train. Raise your arms to the fiddler's frame. On metal roof over loving touch and sweet and sour pouring rain. Raise your arms to the fiddler's frame. On metal roof over loving pain and sweet and sour pouring rain.